you know many English words, but when you go to a shopping mall, your mind suddenly goes blank?
Oh yes, that happens to me a lot. I know words like shirt or food, but when I want to speak, I feel nervous.
Exactly. Many English learners understand a lot, but real situations can feel stressful. Ordering food, asking for directions, or buying clothes can suddenly feel difficult.
Yes, sometimes I even avoid speaking. I just point at things.
You're not alone, Leo, and that's exactly why today's conversation will help you. Today, we're going to visit a very common place where people use English every day.
A place with food, stores, people, and maybe a movie theater?
That's right. Today, we're talking about the shopping mall.
Nice, I like them all. It's busy, but it's fun.
And it's a perfect place to practice real English conversations.
By the way, everyone listening, welcome to the English Talk channel.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo.
If you enjoy learning English through natural conversations like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
It really helps the channel and helps more English learners find these lessons.
All right, Leo, are you ready for a little English trip to the mall?
I'm ready. Let's go shopping.
Okay, imagine we just walked into the mall.
Wow, I already hear music and people talking.
Yes, malls are usually busy places. The first thing you see is many stores.
Stores. That means shops, right?
Exactly. Store and shop mean the same thing.
Good. So a mall has many stores.
Right. Clothing stores, shoe stores, electronic stores, and sometimes bookstores.
I like bookstores. They're usually quiet.
Same here. But before we go to the bookstore, let's visit a clothing store.
All right, I need a new shirt anyway.
Okay, we walk into the clothing store. What do you see?
I see shirts on the wall.
Good.
And pants.
Yes.
And jackets, too.
Exactly. Clothing stores usually have shirts, pants, jackets, dresses, and sometimes shoes.
I see a blue shirt I like.
Nice choice.
But here's my problem. When I'm in a store, I get nervous talking to the employee.
That's very normal. Many learners feel the same way.
Sometimes I don't know what to say.
A very useful phrase is simple. Excuse me, do you have this in my size?
Let me try that. Excuse me, do you have this in my size?
Perfect.
So I say that if I want the same shirt, but maybe bigger or smaller.
Exactly.
Okay, that's helpful.
Now, the employee might ask you a question.
Like what?
They might say, "What size are you looking for?"
Ah, yes, size.
Common sizes are small, medium, and large.
Small, medium, large.
Right.
Let's say I want medium.
Then you can say, "Medium, please."
Medium, please.
Great.
And if I want to see if it fits?
Then you can say, "Can I try this on?"
Oh, I like that phrase.
Try it on means to wear the clothes to see if they fit.
So I say, can I try this on?
Exactly.
That sounds easy.
The employee will probably show you the fitting room.
Fitting room. That's the small room where you change clothes.
Yes. Sometimes people also say changing room.
Okay, so I take the shirt to the fitting room and try it on.
Right.
Let's say I look in the mirror and, wow, I look amazing.
Confidence is important.
So now I want to buy it.
Then you go to the cashier.
The cashier's the person who takes the payment.
Exactly.
And they say the price.
Yes, maybe they say, "That will be $20."
$20.
Then they might ask, cash or card.
Ah, yes, I hear that a lot.
Cash means paper money.
And card means credit card or debit card.
Correct.
So I say, card, please.
Perfect.
I feel more confident already.
Good. That's the goal.
But I have a question.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I buy something, then later I change my mind.
That happens to everyone.
What do I say if I want to return it?
A useful sentence is, "I'd like to return this."
I'd like to return this.
Yes, and the store will ask for your receipt.
Receipt. That's the paper they give you after you buy something.
Exactly.
Okay, I understand.
All right, Leo. After shopping, how do you usually feel?
Hungry.
Same here.
Let's go to the food court.
Great idea.
For anyone listening, the food court is the area in a mall where many restaurants are together.
Right. Many small restaurants and many tables.
Okay, I see pizza
Of course you do.
and burgers
Yes.
and maybe Chinese food.
Exactly.
When I order food, I get nervous again.
That's another very common situation.
My mind goes blank.
Let's keep it simple.
Please,
The worker will probably say, "Hi, what would you like?"
what would you like?
Yes.
Then I say what I want.
Exactly.
So I can say, 1 slice of pizza, please.
Perfect.
1 slice of pizza, please.
You sound very natural.
Good.
Then they might ask, "Anything else?"
Oh, yes, I hear that a lot.
It means, "Do you want more food?"
Then I could say, yes, a soda, please.
Exactly.
Or no, that's all.
Right.
No, that's all.
Very good.
This feels very real.
That's the idea.
Anna, quick pause.
Sure.
If this lesson is helping you feel more confident speaking English, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Yes, we make these conversations to help you speak naturally in real situations.
All right, back to the mall.
Okay, we finished our pizza.
It was delicious.
What do you want to do now?
Maybe walk around.
Good idea.
But oh no,
What happened?
I think I'm lost.
That happens in big malls.
And I need the restroom.
Important situation.
My brain freezes again.
No problem. One phrase solves this.
Please tell me.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Perfect.
That sounds polite.
Yes, starting with "excuse me" is always polite.
And I can use that for many places.
Exactly.
Like, excuse me, where is the exit?
Right.
Excuse me, where is the food court?
Very good.
Excuse me, where is the movie theater?
Excellent.
I see. Where is very useful.
It's one of the most useful phrases in English.
And most people will help you.
Yes, people are usually happy to help.
They might say something like, go straight and turn left.
Exactly.
Or it's next to the escalator.
Good example.
Escalator, that's the moving stairs.
Yes.
I like escalators.
Me too.
Anna, I realized something.
What's that?
A shopping mall is actually a great place to practice English.
It really is.
You read signs,
Yes,
you listen to conversations,
that's right.
And you can speak with employees.
Absolutely.
Ordering food, asking questions, buying clothes.
Those are real conversations.
And real conversations build confidence.
Exactly.
Anna, before we finish, can we review some of the phrases we used today?
Of course.
At the clothing store, we practiced saying, "Do you have this in my size?"
Yes, very useful when shopping.
And "Can I try this on?"
Right, for the fitting room.
At the food court, we practiced, "1 slice of pizza, please."
Simple and natural.
And "No, that's all."
Very common when ordering food.
Then when we were lost, we used, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
A very helpful question.
I feel like these phrases are easy to remember.
They are simple, and simple language is powerful.
I see that now.
Remember, you don't need complicated English to communicate.
You just need clear phrases.
Exactly.
Anna, I actually feel more confident about going to the mall now.
That's great to hear.
Before, I felt nervous speaking.
And now?
Now I feel like I know what to say.
That's the goal of these conversations.
Practice simple phrases
Use them in real life.
and slowly build confidence.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
When you go to the mall, what store do you visit first?
A clothing store?
A bookstore?
Or maybe the food court?
Tell us in the comments using English.
Even a short sentence is great practice.
And we enjoy reading your comments.
We really do.
All right, Anna, I think our shopping trip is finished.
Yes, and my feet are a little tired.
That happens after walking around the mall.
Thank you everyone for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing your English in real situations.
Little conversations every day make a big difference.
And we'll see you next time on the English Talk channel.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.